I go to school. I go to school. I learn new things. I learn new things. I sit at a desk. I sit at a desk. I listen to the teacher. I listen to the teacher. I write with a pencil. I write with a pencil. I have different classes. I have different classes. I study math and English. I study math and English. I count numbers. I count numbers. I read stories. I read stories. I use crayons. I use crayons. I draw pictures. I draw pictures. I show my work. I show my work. I try my best. I try my best. I meet new people. I meet new people. We are friends. We are friends. We play at recess. We play at recess. I grow and learn. I grow and learn. I make my family proud. I make my family proud. School days are fun. School days are fun.